Welcome back to CBSE Maths Class 3. Today our topic is making equal weights. We have already learned conversion in measurement like kilogram to gram, gram to kilogram, etc. Right? Bigger quantities are measured in kilogram, smaller quantities are measured in gram. Now how can we make as equal weights? For example, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. This already we have discussed. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Now, how many 500 grams will make 1000 gram, or how many 500 grams will make 1 kg? Our question is how many 500 grams will make 1 kg. So how to find this? In class 3 you are not learning bigger numbers division. That's why for finding this we have to use addition method. For example, really 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram we know. Actually we should do division method. Then only we will get how many times 500 gram will make 1 kg. So how many means 1 500 gram we will take. 1 500 gram. Okay. So when you take this you will get only 500 gram. But when you add one more 500 gram with this, 500 gram plus 500 gram is equal to 1000 gram. That is equal to 1 kilogram. So now it is very simple. Answer is 2. 500 grams. Answer 2. 2 means here what? 2 times 500 grams will make 1 kg. Sometimes they ask directly how many 500 gram will make 1 kg, or how many 500 gram will make 1000 gram. So suppose instead of 1 kg 1000 gram comes, then also the same answer 2 times 500 gram will make 1 kg. 2 times. So how to find? When you get 500 gram you have to take one more 500, then that means 2 times 500. 500 plus 500 is 1000 gram. This is simple. You can keep in your mind 2 times 500 gram is equal to 1000 gram or 1 kg. Now there can be another question like this. How many 200 grams will make? Instead of 500 I am writing now. How many 200 grams will make 1 kg? Here also we have to use division method only. But division method you don't know. Bigger number division you don't know. That time you have to take 200 gram. So 200 gram when you take 200 gram plus one more you take. How many times you are taking? You have to just mark here. One time you took. Then second time 200 gram. 2 times you took, na? So write here 2 times. So second time when you took how many? 200 plus 200, 400 only we got. 1 kg is 1000 gram. So we should get 1000 gram. So one more time you take. Here you have to write 3. 3 times when you take how many? 200 plus 200 plus 200. We will get 600 gram only. So again you have to take one more time. 200 gram. This is 4 times. Okay, 4 times. So it is now 800 gram. Now one more 200 gram you take. This is 5 times now. 5 times you took. Now 200 plus 200 plus 200. Now you see it is 1000 gram now. 200 plus 200, 400. 400 plus 200, 600. 600 plus 200, 800. 800 plus 200 is 1000. Is equal to 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg we got. So how many times we took? This 1 kg. How many times? 5 times. So answer is what? Answer is 5 times. 5 times I will write here. Answer is what? 5. 5 times 200 gram will make 1 kg. So this you have to keep in mind. 5 times 200 is equal to 1 kg. Okay, so first we did how many times? 500 gram. So 2 times 500 gram is equal to 1 kg. Now 5 times 200 gram. 5 into 2, 10. Okay, 5 into 2, 10. 10 and 2 more zeros, 1000 grams. So you just remember 200 into 5 is 1000. No? So like that also you can remember. But if they write the steps like this addition method, you can use and write. Now we will see another question. How many 250 gram will make? How many? Instead of 200 I am writing now 250 gram. How many 250 gram will make 1 kg? So here also you can use the addition method. 250 one time you take. Write here 1. 250 gram plus 250 gram. This is second time. Okay. Then 3 times. So that time you have to add also 250 plus 250 what? 500 gram. Only 500 we got, no? Now from that 500 plus 250 what? 750 gram. 750 gram only we got. So one more time when we take 4 times. So 4 times 250 gram is equal to 1000 gram. That means 1000 gram means 1 kg. So answer is 4 times. 4 times. 4 times 250 gram. 250 gram is equal to 1000 gram. So here answer is what? 4 times. Remember 2 times 500 gram is equal to 1000 gram. 5 times 200 gram is equal to 1000 gram. 4 times 250 gram is equal to 1000 gram. Now another question we will see. This is very simple. How many 100 grams will make? How many 100 grams will make 1 kg? So how many 100 grams means it is very simple. 100 and 100 you have to add and see how many times it comes. 100 gram. 1 time. Write here 1. Plus again 100 gram when you take 2 times. Now we got only 200 gram. Now we should get 1000 gram. So one more time you take 3 times. Now it is 300 gram. 4 times. 400 gram. 5 times. 500 gram. 600 gram. 7 times 700 gram. 8 times 800 gram. 9 times 900 gram. 10 times. So 10 times is equal to 1000 gram. 100 plus 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Then last 900 plus 100 is 1000. So answer is, now we will get 1000 gram. So answer is what? This is 1000. Is it clear? And is equal to, here we can write is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. So here how many 100 gram will make 1 kg or 1000 gram? 10. Answer is 10. 10 times 100 gram is equal to 1000 gram. 10 times 100 gram is equal to 1000 gram. This is very simple. Now there can be other questions like that. How many instead of 1 kg, that is also simple only. How many 100 gram will make is here only. How many 100 gram will make 500 gram? This is also very simple. How many 100 into 5 only? 500. So answer this one you can write directly. Answer 5 times. 5 times 100 is only 500 gram. Right? 5 times 100 is equal to 500 gram. This is very simple. Now there can be other questions like this. Okay. 5 times 100 is 500 grams. So this when you come 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. So 5 times. Okay. Now there can be another question like that. How many 50 grams will make? How many 50 grams will make 1000 gram or 1 kg? So this is little bit you have to think and do. How many 50 grams will make 1 kg? 50 grams. Okay. So that we have to start from here. Here I have put a line. I will start from here. Yeah. First we will take 150. No. 50. One time. Okay. Then 50. Second time third time, fourth time, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times. But 10 times when you take, here is a trick you can use. Up to 10 you write and see. 50 plus 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. 10 times when you take, you are getting 500, no? 10 times. So double of 10 you take 20, right? So 10 times 500 you can note down like this. 10 into 50 or 10 times 500 is equal to what? 10 times 50 gram is equal to 500 gram. 10 times 50 gram equal to 500 gram. So take 10's double 20, because 500's double is 1000. So 20 times 500 will be what? 1000 gram. So you have to remember here answer is what? 20. 20 into 50 only 1000 gram or 1 kg. So remember 20 times 50 you have to take. 50 gram when you are taking 50 gram weight. Suppose this 50 gram weight. So to make it equal as 1 kg, how much you have to take? When you take 50 gram weight, 20 times like this weight you have to put. Then only it will be equal to 1000 gram. Similarly, before how we did 500 gram? How many? 2 times 500. Suppose this is 500 gram. To make it equal weight as 1 kg, what we will do? One more 500 gram we have to keep. So 2 500 gram make 1 kg. But 50 comes means 20. Like that you can remember. 2 500 gram 1 kg. So 50 means 20. 20 into 50 is only 1 kg. This is not much easy. You have to write and practice. And also this how they are using in shops when we see. Normally when we go to shops in India, when we measure or when we tell the shopkeeper to measure something, take 1 kilo potato. So how he is measuring 1 kilo? If 1 kilo weight is not there matching with him, he will put potato in one of the weighing balance in one pan, no? So some potatoes he will keep, and the other pan, in the other pan he will put the weights. Okay, then he will match with that how it is the balancing. If balancing it is straight, that is equal. So that time if 1 kg weight is not with him, he will take 2 times 500 gram weight. So 500 gram weight, 500 gram will be there with him. So he will put 1, then 1 more he will put. Then it will be 1 kg weight. Okay, so far what we have discussed, anyway this also you have to keep in mind. 10 times 50 gram equal to 500 gram, 20 times 50 gram equal to 1000 gram. So now let us revise everything, what all we have discussed now, how to make equal weights. So just remember 2 times 500 gram is equal to 1 kg. Okay, and then 5 times 200 gram. 200 gram weights if you are taking, to make it 1 kg, how many weights we have to keep like this? If the shopkeeper is having 200 gram weight, okay, so if he want to make it 1 kg, then 4 more he have to keep. 1 already there, then 4 more, total 5 200 gram he has to keep to make it 1 kg. So 5 times, then 4 times 250 gram is equal to 1 kg. Okay, then 10 times 100 gram is equal to 1 kg. 10 times 100 gram is equal to 1 kg. Now about 500 gram, one more is there, 20 times 50 grams. 20 times 50 gram, you can remember like this also. If 100 gram 10 times means 50 gram, 100's half is only 50, so 10's double you have to take. So that will be tough for you to remember. Anyway, this you keep in mind. 20 times 50 gram is equal to 1 kg. And we have said that 500 how many times? 10 times 5 times 100 gram is equal to 500 gram. 5 times 100 gram is equal to 500 gram. This also we have to keep in mind. Okay, then 10 times 50 grams. 10 times 50 gram is equal to 500 gram. Okay, so these all you have to keep in your mind. Then 100 gram 5 times, that we said, correct? 10 times 50 gram, this much. These all you have to remember. This is about how to make equal weight. So suppose like fill in the blanks. Dash 500 gram is equal to 1 kg, so you have to write 2. Okay, then dash 100 gram is equal to 10 k dash 100 gram is equal to 1 kg, dash 100 gram is equal to 1 kg. So 10 times or 10 100 grams is equal to 1 kg. Okay, I hope it is clear. This you have to do little bit carefully, and you have to keep in your mind these all things, because these all are some general mathematics. And please subscribe my channel. Okay, we will see in another video.